The foundation of insight: clean data. Data is everywhere. It's the lifeblood of today's businesses and a goldmine of potential insights. But raw data, it's messy. Think of it like a diamond in the rough. Before you can unlock its true brilliance, you need to clean it. Imagine baking a cake with inaccurate measurements. Disaster, right? That's what happens when you analyze dirty data. You get unreliable results, leading to poor decisions and missed opportunities. Clean data, on the other hand, is accurate, consistent, and complete. It's the foundation for making smart choices, understanding your customers, and ultimately, achieving your goals. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding data cleaning is non-negotiable. It's the key to unlocking the true potential hidden within your data. Data cleaning unveiled, a crucial step. Data cleaning is like giving your data a spa day. It's about transforming raw, messy data into a pristine and reliable resource. This process involves identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies that can skew your analysis. Think of it this way: you wouldn't want to wear a suit covered in wrinkles to a big meeting, would you? Similarly, you wouldn't want to base important decisions on flawed data. Data cleaning is the process of ironing out those wrinkles, ensuring your data is ready to make a great impression. It's about ensuring your data is accurate, consistent, and complete, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. This crucial step lays the groundwork for reliable analysis, accurate reporting, and ultimately, better business outcomes. Without it, you risk making decisions based on a shaky foundation. Mastering data cleaning techniques. Let's dive into the how. Data cleaning involves essential techniques targeting data imperfections. First, remove duplicates. Duplicates clutter your analysis and lead to inaccurate results. Removing them ensures unique and accurate information. Next, handle missing values. It's like blank spaces in a puzzle. Use averages, similar data points, or delete them. Then, standardize data formats. Data from different sources leads to inconsistencies. Standardizing ensures uniformity and smoother analysis. Finally, detect and correct errors. Ensure your data makes sense and reflects reality. Section 4. Practical applications of data cleaning methods. Let's bring these techniques to life with some real-world examples. Imagine you're analyzing customer data for an online store. You discover multiple entries for the same customer due to typos or name variations. Removing these duplicates ensures each customer is counted only once. Some customers haven't provided their age. You could fill these with the average age or leave them blank. Inconsistent date formats can wreak havoc on your analysis. Standardizing dates ensures accurate calculations. Correcting errors, like an age listed as 200, ensures data accuracy. These techniques transform raw data into reliable insights, enabling better business decisions. Section 5. The power of clean data. Accurate and insightful analysis. Remember that diamond in the rough? Through the process of data cleaning, it transforms into a sparkling gem, ready to reveal its true value. Clean data is the bedrock of accurate and insightful analysis. It's the difference between making decisions based on guesswork and making decisions based on solid evidence. With clean data, you can see the bigger picture in your data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that would otherwise remain obscured. Base your business decisions on reliable data, minimizing the risk of costly mistakes. Outsmart your competition by leveraging the power of clean data to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Clean data empowers you to understand your customers better, optimize your operations, and ultimately, achieve your business objectives with greater confidence. As Section 6, reaping the rewards of clean data. Confidence in decision-making. In the world of data, cleanliness isn't just next to godliness, it's godliness. When you invest the time and effort to clean your data, you're investing in the accuracy and reliability of your analysis. This translates to greater confidence in your decision-making. You can trust the insights derived from clean data, knowing they're based on a solid foundation. This confidence extends to every aspect of your business, from marketing and sales to product development and customer service. Clean data empowers you to make informed decisions, minimize risks, and ultimately drive better outcomes. It's an investment that pays off in spades, giving you a competitive edge and setting the stage for sustainable success.